Hey there, health enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered what makes those orange carrots so special? Today, I'm going to uncover the secret superpowers of these vibrant wonders. First, let's talk about the amazing nutrition packed into every crunchy bite. Carrots are low in calories but high in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They're like nature's multivitamin. Just one medium carrot gives you over 200% of your daily vitamin A needs. But wait, what's so great about vitamin A? This powerful nutrient is essential for maintaining healthy vision. That's right, carrots can help you see in the dark. Well, almost. Vitamin A helps in the production of rhodopsin, a protein in your eyes that helps you see in low-light conditions. And it doesn't stop there. Carrots are also loaded with antioxidants, including beta-carotene, which your body converts into, you guessed it, vitamin A. These antioxidants help protect your cells from damage, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Now let's talk about another superpower, boosting your immune system. Carrots are rich in vitamin C, a key player in keeping your immune defenses strong. Plus they contain other immune-boosting nutrients like potassium and vitamin B6. So, eating carrots is like giving your body a protective shield. And here's a fun fact. Did you know that carrots were originally purple, yellow, and white? The orange carrot we know and love today was cultivated in the Netherlands in the 17th century. Talk about a colorful history. But let's not forget about the digestive benefits. Carrots are a great source of dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and keeps things running smoothly. Say goodbye to digestive troubles and hello to a happy gut. And for those of you looking to maintain a healthy weight, carrots are your best friend. Their high water and fiber content makes them incredibly filling, so you can munch on them without worrying about overeating. So, how can you incorporate more carrots into your diet? The possibilities are endless. Enjoy them raw as a snack, add them to salads, blend them into smoothies, or roast them for a sweet and savory side dish. You can even bake them into healthy treats like carrot muffins. To sum it up, carrots are a nutritional powerhouse with a ton of health benefits. From boosting your vision and immune system to supporting digestion and weight management, these humble veggies are truly superstars. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more health tips and food facts. Until next time, stay healthy and keep munching on those carrots.